Hello everybody, I just want to put out this quick video about these right here. If you guys have seen the previous videos I did on the build, test, and demonstration on these, you'll know what they are. If you did not, I will put links in the description for the build, test, and demonstration videos on these. They are a little bit long each. They're about a half an hour each, maybe a little less, 20, 25, 30 minutes. I don't know. I don't remember how long each one was. But anyway, there's a few of them in the series. I'll put links in the description. Essentially, this is to charge 6 1S batteries at the same time, or I should say up to 6, because you can do less than that by using jumpers on your other ports. And that's so you can charge on your better chargers and charge 6 at a time per port if you have a multi-port charger like this is 2 ports, rather than charging them on things like this, like these silly USB things and these things here. They're never really accurate. And there's no storage mode on these, so you can't properly get them to storage capacity easily. It's just a pain in the butt. This, you can set it to storage capacity and get them all, 6 at a time to storage. But I did run into a little snafu here. Did not think to mention it in my build videos. I had run into the other day a bad 1S battery. I had a bad cell. And because this treats it as a 6S when I have 6 on here, it tried to keep everything balanced when it was charging, but the one battery did not want to take a charge. So the voltage on that one battery kept dropping. So essentially the charger tried to keep it balanced and started dropping the voltage across the whole 6 cells. And had I not caught it, it could have ruined all 6 batteries. And that's the thing, you should be watching your batteries anyway. You should not ever leave your LiPos or anything unattended while they're charging. Because even though this thing is small, it's like a 1 inch, a little over 1 inch long and like half, 3/4 inch wide. Even though that's only 260 milliamp battery, I have some 150s even. Even though they're tiny, they can start a big fire. There's enough here and it gets hot enough if it does catch on fire or blows up that it can catch on something else around it, and you could end up with a big fire and have a big problem. So never leave your batteries unattended. But because I was watching, I was able to catch that and saved the other 5 batteries. The bad battery is now discharged properly and properly disposed of. So keep that in mind, guys. For you guys that did not watch those videos, like I said, I have links in the description. You can see how to build these, how to full demonstration on them and everything, how to make sure they're wired up correctly and all that. Just everything's there. But yeah, I like the idea of being able to do 6 at a time, period. On each channel on this charger, I can do 12 batteries at a time, charge them up, go out, fly my whoops, come back in, plug them all back in, get them all to storage capacity, 12 at a time. It's much more convenient, much faster than doing them 1 at a time, which you can do if you just make little adapters to plug in, which I have as well. It's much better than using these things. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you guys don't run into that problem. And if you do, please be watching your batteries. Be safe, and thanks for watching.